Yo guys, what is up to today's video? Today's just going to show another recap of what was going on today, and I'm going to start a vlog and actually stick with it. I'm not going to guarantee anything but one video a week, kind of showing kind of my week, because believe it or not, I'm a boring person. I work a lot, but with that being said, let's jump into this video. Okay guys, I want to make this as short and as simple as possible. The past 2 days I have went short, and people always ask why a margin account is necessary to make good chunks of money. First of all, you can trade with leverage. I don't use leverage. I only use what's in my account. Um, so, but the other reason is so you can short. Basically, you can bet that a stock is going to go down. As you can see right here, this was a great play. It ran so far up pre-market on news and everything else that it just topped out at $2 and it could not break $2, and that's what was awesome. As you guys can see, it says all the things that I just showed. But right here, the $2 was the basically the max. Whole dollars, guys, become such a resistance point, and they can also become support lines as well. So basically, if this would have kept going and broke over $2, you would have saw that $2 probably would have been a or would have became a support line. So it would have went up and came back down, bounced off $2, more likely $1.97, something like that. You got to give it a few cents, but $2 would have became a support more than likely. But right here, you can see it did not. I did not get it in at $2. I was trying and could not just because I wanted to see. It was kind of a risky play, not gonna lie, but the psychology of it was the whole dollar mark, see if it could break it. It did not even go to 201, so I felt pretty good about it. I put it in order. I did not get filled whatsoever. So it fell down. I thought I was gonna miss my opportunity, and I ended up actually it started to pop back up, and we started to get a little bit more volume in here, just right here. Not very much, of course. So I got filled all the way throughout these minutes in here. The lowest one I ended up getting filled at was $1.68. As you can see, it was kind of like in the low here. So I was anywhere between $1.78 to $1.68, 10-cent gap period in there. So I don't like having that much of a spread on my fill, but it was pre-market. As you can see down here, there really was not very much volume pre-market. So we took what we got. We got a few thousand shares here, and we ended up started shorting down. As you can see, I ended up covering into this for one reason. I did not even get to here. I started covering half of my shares down here because I was up, and that's a huge portion of it, guys. Of course, I did not get it because there's not enough volume in here to get covered all the way through here. So I ended up actually back up in here. I figured worst case scenario, I just cover it back up in here for about the same that I got into it at. But I didn't even have to break even. I ended up getting filled down in here, which was an even better fill for me. I could have waited a little bit longer, but as you can see, the volume started dying off very quickly, and that's where when you see these volume bars are up, that's awesome, but when you start seeing the second and the third one start getting smaller, that's when you got to really worry about, hey, do I need to get out of this, whether it's for a loss or a gain. So that's exactly what I did. I got out of it. I covered my position. I was done for the morning very, very quickly before 10 a.m. as you can see. And then today, as you can see, it's dead at $1.08. So I could have held my position longer, made more. But my problem is right now it would be really hard to get out of. And I made a video. Go to my YouTube channel. It's actually like on past my 10 videos where I show how to not get stuck in positions, and I risked a lot here just because of the lack of volume, and it was a dumb trade by me, but it worked out thankfully. So there is a little bit of luck. Don't ever let anybody tell you there's no luck in trading. This morning I got lucky, so there is a little bit of luck. You don't have to be a really lucky person to make money when trading, though. That's really the big concern there. You just have to be smart about it. I still couldn't believe that I got filled up in here just because of the lack of volume. I think I was the only one trying to short it right here. But shorted it, got down in here, and covered it. It was really nice to actually be able to cover that because I was a little scared there for a second. I felt a little bit better when I saw the volume, but still, guys. So basically, what I want you guys to take away from this is runners do not keep running if they run so far in pre-market always. Now, don't get me wrong, they can, and those can be your halt plays that jump up as soon as they become unhalted. But you also have stocks that as soon as they run up so far, they hit that whole dollar and they just stop. So that's really a main concern there. And then keeping that volume. As you can see, there's really not a whole lot of volume. Pre-market's a really big factor. You really, really need volume. So, again, the takeaway for this is make sure there's volume in your trade. Sometimes you'll get lucky, but try not to risk that much. That being said, thank you guys for watching this video. As you can see, my laptop needs charge. We're at 25% at 11:35, and I got a lot of work to get done today, so I'm going to hop this on the charger. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, comment. I have my phone. Leave a comment on YouTube. Go to my Instagram if you want. If you want to become part of my mentor program, DM me on Instagram and let's set up an interview for you, and let's get going, guys. Again, thumbs up and subscribe if you want to know when my videos are posted. Hit the notification bell when you subscribe, and you'll be notified every time I post a video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.